Hindi na ako nag-start na. Alas 4. Ayan sa'yo. Nakita o. Hello, sir. Are you there? Hello po. Start na po.
Hello, good afternoon, each and every one of you, to our contestants, guests, and other viewers. This is the first batch of screening for Mr. Pangasinan Online 2020. Okay,
Hi,
so
sir. Good afternoon.
yeah, hello, good afternoon. So I hope everybody is prepared for this uh, screening. So you were all already brief yesterday night. So sana walang magiging problema ngayong first group. Okay? So as we have mentioned yesterday na you will be doing some modeling and your advocacy and your and an interview coming from me. Okay, so you will be having 30 seconds for your modeling and then 30 seconds for your advocacy to tell to everybody. And I will be giving you some or follow-up questions either from your advocacy or from my own questions. Okay? So lahat ng inyong mga pangalan ay nandito. So lahat kayo ay 13 lahat. Okay? So those are only the people that I have given the Zoom link. Kasi sila lang naman ang humingi. Actually, yes, last night marami kayo. But the thing is only 13 candidates are available for this day. Okay? This is the first batch of screening of Mr. Pangasinan Online 2021. Okay? So I hope everybody is prepared. So lahat ng pangalan nyo nandito, bubunutin ko na lang siya kung sino ang mauuna. So once na nakuha ko ang pangalan ninyo, you have to start and then continuous na yon. Okay? Tapos may timer naman ako. So once you started, okay, go. Okay? So hindi na ako mag-i-stop-stop na. So lahat sana dire-diretso at walang putol-putol. At sana yung mga nasa outdoor, maganda ang connections para hindi tayo magka-problema. Okay? So as I've said, if you are going to shoot outdoor, you have to send me a waiver or authorization that I don't have any responsibility of what you're doing outside. Okay? Okay, so we're going to start the screening. Okay, so the first person to screen is Leonard Servinas. Leonard, are you there?
Yes po, yes po.
Okay, so are you ready now?
Yes po.
Okay, you can start.
Prepared lang po yung sound po.
Okay. Sa mga hindi pa magjo-join, paki-mute nyo muna yung inyong mga audio.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. Put a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. Put a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night.
Leonard Servinas Corpus, 22, representing Lingen. My advocacy is to improve myself, show my talent to other people, and also represent my hometown, the capital of Pangasinan, Lingen. And also gusto ko pong maging exemplo sa ibang mga kabataan na nalilis na sa landas. At gusto ko pong tulungan yung mga kabataan na nalululong sa bisyo, tulad ng pagdodroga, at yung mga kabataan na nalululong sa alak at di nakakatulong sa magulang.
Okay, so salamat, Leonard. So my follow-up questions is, what one learning experience that you had as a child made much impact on you? Ulitin ko, what one learning experience, okay, that you had as a child made much impact on you?
Yung naging experience ko po na, sir, sa Tagalog. Medyo
Okay.
nahirapan po ako.
Ano ang mga natutunan mo nung ikaw ay nung bata pa na na gusto mong ipakita sa ngayon?
Ang
Kung
gusto ko
anong
pong, thank you po sa napakaganda niyo pong tanong. Ang gusto ko pong ipakita ay kung paano po ako na-improve sa pamamagitan po ng pagbi-business and magiging vlogger and pagiging actor po. At hinihikayat ko din po yung mga ibang kabataan na mag-business upang sa ganon, maiwasan nila yung masasamang bisyo tulad ng alak at paninigarilyo at matulungan nila ang kanilang mga magulang at matupad nila ang kanilang mga pangarap. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Okay, salamat, Leonard. Okay, pwedeng magpahinga ka muna. Okay, next. Lowell Mabanglo. Lowell Mabanglo.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon po.
Okay, so then you can start.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Lowell Daru Paraza Mabanglo, 20 years old, from the land where all the best things happen, Municipality of Bayambang, Province of Pangasinan. I am currently studying at the epicenter and heart of college teacher education, Pangasinan State University, Bayambang campus, taking up the course of Bachelor of Secondary Education English major. As a future teacher and a lawyer, my advocacy is to help the people, especially the youth, on how to read and write. I strongly believe that education is not a privilege. It is a right of each individual. I want to help people to express themselves by knowing how to read and to write. I want to tickle their attention that education is the best key for progress and success. Even though I don't have still the license as a professional teacher, I know that I can do my part as a man with a willing to help to others unconditionally. And that is the real essence of the true Pangasinense. Thank you so much.
Okay. So, may follow-up question ako. What was the greatest challenge that you had encountered in this time of pandemic? And how were you able to overcome such challenges? I'll repeat. What was the greatest challenge that you had encountered in this time of pandemic? How were you able to overcome such challenges?
Thank you, sir. I believe that the most problem that I've experienced this pandemic is that I can't socialize to other people, especially into my classmates, to my teachers. As a student, we are very hungry to educate ourselves. And I know that to our future students, it would be affect what happened today. But I know that our teachers has a helping hearts and caring hands. And I know that this is the best way that we are experiencing right now, because the most powerful today is the social media, and we are very intelligent on how to use it. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Luel. Okay? From Bayangbang, 20 years old. Okay, next. Don Bidonyo. Don.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir Apollo, sorry I'm late. Sir Apollo, sorry I'm late po.
Good evening. Man of Pangasinan, right in front of you is a 25-year-old Mr. Pangasinan Stunner, proudly representing Santa Maria, Pangasinan. And my name is Don Don Vidano. I'm a pageant enthusiast, a call center agent, and I am also a freelance model. By joining this platform, I want to be an advocate of those people of currently experiencing discrimination. And as we all know that discrimination is very rampant nowadays, rampant in terms of human discrimination of human race, ethnicities, traditions, cultures, physical appearance, and also the opinions and the statuses of lives of other peoples out there, and a lot more. We are all fairly created by our Almighty God, and we must um, treat everyone in an equal way. And I believe that our differences is not a hindrance to make a difference. Aria, Santa Maria.
Okay. Okay. My pilot question is, what is one... Naririnig mo? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is one beautiful word in your local language or dialect? And what does it mean? What is one beautiful word in your local language or dialect? And what does it mean?
Okay. Well, thank you for that wonderful question, sir. And I believe that the most beautiful, and I can consider it as one of the greatest word in my local dialect is, I'm actually half Bisaya and Ilocano. So to tell you, sir, this is napintas in Ilocano, or in sa mga lalaki is nataraki, or in Bisaya, guapa o guapo. I believe that we all have these features, not just in a physical. It doesn't focus on our physical appearance, but it also focuses on our hearts, the beauty of our hearts, the beauty of our minds and our soul. And I believe with our beauty, being handsome as well, doesn't focuses on what you can show physically to other people, but on how you manage to deal with other people by the use of your inner beauty. And I believe with this beauty, um, we can create a surrounding that has a peaceful surroundings, um, full of love surroundings, with no hate, with no um, negative negative aspects of our lives. And we need to use our voices to show our the beauty that's within inside. And I believe beauty does not only does not show only on your physical appearance, but what they say is a holistic beauty. Holistic means beauty from the outside and in the inside. And that would be all, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, next contestant. George Flores.
Tell me, sir. Hey, please.
Fighting flames of fire and bones burn wires we don't care anymore. Are we fading lovers? We keep wasting colors. Maybe we should let this go. We're falling apart, so we hold together. We lost the answer, we chase forever.
Hey, ano po?
Is this
Narinig nga, daw kada kayo. My name is George Muntimayor Flores, 20 years old, from Barangay Akduan po, Purok Isam, Singan, Pangasinan. Being with you today is one of my chance and to promote one of my chance and opportunity to promote mental health awareness. As we all know, there is an increasing number of mortality due to depression, not just in my town but the entire province. And that is the reason why we should do something and we should promote and make the young people to be stronger by facing the challenge of the life challenge. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, here is your follow-up question, George. Name one spot, man-made or natural in your province, city, that you would like to promote to the world. Ulitin ko, name one spot, man-made or natural in your province or city that you would like to promote to the world.
Sir, definitely our plaza, sir. Sir, our plaza is my parang newly developed siya. Why? Because this design came from one student from our school, which is Pangasinan State University, na very proud because gawa siya ng estudyante at gawa siya ng parang yung design niya is nagbuod sa mismong Asinggan. And I can promote that to the world na masasabi kong I'm proud kasi matagal siyang ginawa. Kahit ginawa po siya kasi nung may problema po kasi yung town namin na duda mayor na nag-away-away kasi napalitan yung mayor. Pero hindi nila inalis sa spot na yon na dapat i-develop yung place na yon kasi dun makikilala mismo yung aming town, which is our plaza po, na masasabi kong maganda kasi sariling amin at sariling gawa ng Pangasinan, Singan. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Hopefully makita ko yung plaza nyo para
Sir,
yeah, I can witness
so you here, sir.
that kind of beauty in your hometown. Okay? Salamat, George Flores.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Raiden Santillan. Raiden Santillan.
Hello.
So, hello sir. I am Raiden Santillan Baswell, 20 years old from Dasol, Pangasinan, home of quality salt. Then my advocacy is to help the children here in my beloved barangay to have a health promotions for that. Then if I will win the crown, magsasagawa pa ako ng health promotions para tulungan ko yung mga bata dito sa barangay ko kasi po some of the children are malnourished. So as a nursing student, I will make a health promotion and disease prevention. Then as then I will do my duty and the responsibility to promote a quality service for them.
Okay, so my question to you is, do you think online pageants will be appropriate during this pandemic? Do you think online pageants will be appropriate during this pandemic?
For me, sir, I strongly believe yes, because at that case or in these situations, we need to have a collaboration to function para nang sa ganun, we keep ourselves better muna before we socialize others and magkakaroon tayo ng interaction sa both sides na ginagawa natin dito sa ating lugar. Yun lang man, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Raiden. From Dasul, 20 years old. Next. Jerry L. Gabon. Jerry. Jerry L. Gabon. Jaire L. Gabon, wala siya. 27 years old from Season, Pangasinan. So wala si Jaire.
I'm here.
Ayan, okay.
I'm here. I'm modeling now.
Okay, go.
I'm sorry for that, sir. I'm already mod.
Okay, go.
I came from an impoverished family, and they helped me to go through education, and that education helped me to become who I am right now. I am an environmental advocate for 6 years already, and we've been doing programs, projects, activities here in the municipality of Quezon. I'm only 27 years old, and my name is Jairel V. Gabon, and I'm dreaming to be on public service for the youth so that I could help through leadership and be an environmental advocate as I am. Thank you.
Okay, so your question is, in your opinion, can discrete gays join pageant for straight male? I'll repeat. In your opinion, can discrete gays join pageant for a straight male?
I agree, yes. As long as that person, hello sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Sorry. Yes, I agree. If a person is a discreet gay, he can join any pageant that he like, especially if for male pageants. Because what matters is the advocacy of person and how he would be able to help the community or the organization he is joining to. And if he is not doing anything bad to other people, as long as he has God and he believes in God and himself, that would be good. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Jerry, from Season, Pangasinan. Okay,
you.
next. Frederick Villanueva. Frederick?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
Cause I ain't the stars tonight. So as we bring them fire, set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kick out, get the drum rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea, and I get my
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Frederick Villanueva, 21 years old from Umingan, Pangasinan. My advocacy is to promote education. As a certified licensed professional teacher, I saw many children who don't know the basics of reading and writing, and learners who don't have the opportunity and privilege to study and access the free education. As Mr. Pangasinan Online 2021, I will use this platform to share my knowledge and pedagogies. And also, I want to motivate and inspire the youth of today's generation and using all of my achievements, being a leader and a cum laude. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, follow-up questions. What one major lesson did you learn from your experiences during this pandemic? Okay, I'll repeat. What one major lesson did you learn from your experiences during this pandemic?
The lesson that I learned in this pandemic is that no man is an island. So everyone knows that we cannot live by ourselves. We also need other people for us to be able to grow together, and unity is the best thing that we can do to help each other. Helping together as one is the most important way that I've learned in this kind of pandemic. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Frederick Villanueva, from 25 years old from Umingan, Pangasinan. Okay, next. Peter Mangay. Peter?
Yes po, sir. Prepare ko lang po yung sounds.
Okay.
But my heart wanna stay now. You can see in my eyes that I wanna take it down right now. It's not good. So I hope you know what I mean when I say, let me take you dancing. Two steps to the bedroom, we don't need.
Hi everyone, my name is Peter John de Vera Mangay. I am 22 years old. I came from the province of Ordaneta City, Pangasinan. I came from a broken family. With that being said, I grew up with my mom. My mom is one of the kindest and strongest woman I know. I saw her struggle as I grew up with her. Now I'm trying my best to show my gratitude by spending my time with her during this pandemic time, and always make sure to make proud of her in my decisions and actions. I hope I can influence people to do the same that I does, and because our parents isn't getting any younger, they shouldn't feel useless and neglected just because they couldn't do chores anymore as much as they used to do, and they should have been cared for. I'm afraid at a time I'm afraid a time I'm afraid a time in this time I'm afraid at a time it will come in the Philippines where elderly will be lefted in the house of in the home of the age.
It's okay. It's okay. Take time. It's okay.
That's all long, sir.
Okay. Okay. My follow-up questions is, what would you consider as your silver lining in the time of pandemic? What would you consider as your silver lining in this time of pandemic?
For me, we should Pahalagaan po natin yung ating pangangatawan kasi po last week po is namatay po yung aking uncle due to COVID kasi po mahina po yung resistensya niya po sa puso. And yun po, kailangan po nating palakasin ating pangangatawan and sundan natin lahat ng mga policies sa ating mga barangay para po hindi po tayo mahawaan sa sakit po na COVID lang po.
Okay, thank you, Peter Mangay, 23 from Ordaneta, Pangasinan. Okay, next. King Alferez. King Alferez.
Sir, I'm here. Wait lang, sir. Prepare ko lang po.
Okay.
Wait lang. Go.
Turn to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need an introduction. Follow my step, follow instruction. One to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need it.
Hi, masantos yung araw at si kayo namin. I am King Martinez Alferez, 19 years of age, and I am from Mabini, Pangasinan. My advocacy is to help the youth or the children to educate them, especially to the out of the school youth. I will share my knowledge and I will use my voice to influence them to be a good character, trait, and values. As a young leader in our community, I just want to teach them on how to become a responsible youth, especially in our family, community, and to our environment. And the most important is our Almighty God. Thank you.
Okay, your question. What do you think is the best lesson that this pandemic taught us? I'll repeat. What do you think is the best lesson that this pandemic taught us?
The best lesson that this pandemic gave us is to be strong and to be work as a one community. Because I believe as a one community, if we work as one, we heal as one, and that will be all. Thank you.
Thank you, King Alperez, 19 from Mabini, Pangasinan.
Thank you.
Okay. Next, Mark Mitsushima. Mark Mitsushima. Mark. Mark. Wala yata si Mark. Okay, balikan natin si Mark. Next. Chrysogonus de Vera. Chrysogonus de Vera. Wala rin si Chrysogonus. Okay. Next. Joshua Garcia. Joshua.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Hello po. Ready ko lang po yung song po.
Okay.
Wait lang, sir. Stop. Good afternoon, guys. My name is Joshua Patani Garcia, 20 years old, nagmula sa lungsod ng San Carlos City, Pangasinan. Failures is a part of success. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Yung advocacy mo, Joshua?
Kung pagpapalaran man ako na manalo sa Mr. Pangasinan, unang-una kong tutulungan ang frontliners. Katulad ng mamimigay ng alcohol, face mask, and face shield. Yung tatlo na kailangan po para sa kanila. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Okay. Your question is, what one thing young people like you should focus on? Okay? Ulitin ko. What one thing young people like you should focus on?
Pwede pong pakitagalog, sir.
Okay. Ano isang bagay sa mga kabataan na gusto mong i-focus, na ipahiwatig sa mga kababayan?
Maraming salamat sa magandang katanungan niyo, sir. Ang may ibabahagi ko po na katulad po na ngayon na pandemic, instead na magbisyo, mag-uminom o kaya magsigarilyo, pwede po nilang gawin ang gusto nilang like mag-basketball, mag-volleyball, yun po yung hilig nilang gawin. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you, Joshua Garcia, 20 from San Carlos City. Okay, next, Harold Gutierrez. Harold.
Good afternoon po, Sir Apollo. Narinig niyo po ako? Okay po. Prepare ko lang po yung music. Hi everyone, I am Harold Ferrer Gutierrez, 27 years old, from San Carlos City, Pangasinan. And I am an advocate of mental health awareness. I would like to persuade each and everyone that in this time of pandemic, in this time of uncertainties, it is very important that we should be aware and take care of our mental health. And it is very important also to stay in the right attitude. And this is something that we should focus on right now. Thank you so much.
Okay, your question is, naririnig mo ako, Harold?
Yes, sorry for the background noise. Naririnig ko po kayo.
Okay. Which color symbolizes the phenomenal gentleman? Which color symbolizes you as a phenomenal gentleman?
Thank you for that question, Sir. Can you hear me? Hello, Sir Apollo?
Yeah.
Can you hear me? So the color that symbolizes a phenomenal gentleman, for me it's blue. The one that I am wearing right now. So I believe that it's up to you on it is very important that you should be comfortable on everything that you have. For example, right now, I'm comfortable with color blue. So this is me. I can express myself in this outfit, specifically the color blue. So I believe that's the color of a phenomenal gentleman.
Okay, thank you, Harold from San Carlos City. Mark, can I go back to Mark Mitsushima? Mark, are you there? Chrysogonus De Vera from Bayangbang. Okay, so wala sila. Okay, is anybody of you na hindi ko natawag? So lahat natawag, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, bago ko i-announce, okay, before I announce kung sino yung nakapasok sa screening, okay, pag nakapasok kayo sa screening, maghihintay kayo ng mga 2 months kasi mag-i-screen pa ako, marami pa tayong dadaanan, so marami pa yung mga gustong magpa-screen. So we are not rushing to have a finals or grand finals. So ito, as I've spoken to you before, na medyo matagal itong competition na ito. So you still have the chance to improve, baguhin kung anong pagkakamali nyo. After this screening, you go to my YouTube channel, paki-subscribe na rin and click, and then you can message there. Tapos, and then makikita ninyo kung paano ang pagpe-perform nyo at paano kayo magsalita, and I think you can improve on that. Okay? So makikita nyo doon kung ano ang dapat yung i-improve. So after this show, ipopost ko kaagad sa YouTube channel ko. Okay? Okay. Okay. So you are all 13. May 2 wala. So 11. So pipiliin ko ngayon kung sino yung mga papasok for the weekly finals, and maybe that will be on end of February or first week of March. Okay? Doon tayo mag-isa. So marami pang time. Magagawa nyo pa ang gusto nyong gawin, and then you can still change whatever your difficulties is. Okay? Tapos yung mga connections, anong dapat ayusin, ano ba dapat ang gawin ko bago ako mag-perform, para all of us will learn what our difficulties. Okay? So, okay ba? Maayos ba? Like that. So, kasi ang show na ito, gusto kasi lahat live. Ayaw ko ng mga, yung taping. Okay? So, I want you guys to perform in front of me live. Okay? Okay? So, make sure na malinis, walang maingay during your presentation pag napasok kayo sa weekly finals. So kasi sa weekly meron na tayong criteria of judging. Okay? So that will be announced soon. Again, kung sino yung mapipili, first week of March or end of February or first week of March, yon ang ating start. Okay? Okay. So before I announce kung sino yung mga pumasok sa screening, may I call on again, itatawagin ko kayo isa-isa uli. Okay? Show your best post there. Okay? Okay, Leonard Servinas, 22 Lingayen. Leonard Servinas, 22 Lingayen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your best post na. Dali.
Yes po.
Sir, with sound po ba ulit?
Ako na ang magsasound. Naririnig nyo?
Hindi po.
Konti po, konti.
Okay, Leonard Servinas, 22 Lingayen. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Next.
Thank you. Thank you.
Lowell Mabanglo. Next, Don Budino. Don Budeno. George Flores. Raiden Santillan.
Ito na.
Jerry El Gabon. Jerry El Gabon. Frederick Villanueva. Peter Mangay. King Alferez. Joshua Garcia. Harold Gutierrez. Okay, sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat. This is our
Thank you,
first
sir.
time to have a screening, pero hindi nakaka-capture ng screen ang inyong mga mukha during your presentation. Yung last natin na tinawag ko kayo, hindi siya nakaka-capture. So I think we have to look for it. We need to do something about it pag pinag-model kayong tag-iisa. So you have to work for it para mas maganda ang kinalabasan natin. Okay? Okay, so I've seen all your effort. Naghintay kayo, naggawa kayo ng inyong mga preparation for this. Lahat-lahat ginawa ninyo. And sana walang samaan ng loob pag hindi kayo napasama sa screening na ito. Okay? So to all of you, congratulations. And sana maging maayos ang inyong province. Okay? So wish you all the best and God bless you all. So ang mga pumasok sa screening na ito ay kayong lahat pumasok. Okay? So all of you pass the screening. So lahat kayo ay papasok sa weekly finals that will be next year. Okay? So just keep in touch and motivate yourself. You have to check whatever difficulties that you had, okay, para mas maganda ang kinalabasan natin pagdating ng weekly finals. Okay? So sana mas maganda pa ang ating pagsasagawa ng ating online na ito para mas ma-appreciate ng mga tao. Kasi so far, this is our first. So wala tayong tinawag na mga mag-ayos ng whatever it is. So at least we tried our best na maging maayos itong first screening natin. Okay? So congratulations to all of you. Pumasa kayong lahat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. It's a long way for you to prepare. So God bless you all. At mag-aaral kayong mabuti. Okay? Be safe. Okay? Salamat sa inyo, to all the viewers.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, just watch
Yes,
on
sir.
YouTube.
Thank you po.
Panoorin niyo na lang sa YouTube. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank
po.
you and good
Thank you.
day.
Bye, sir. Thank you po. Bye, sir.
Bye, guys. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.